Let's bring all of our Sprunki friends together. So, anyone in the mood for pasta? Doughy just loves to taste the rainbow. Hey, he's taking all of our friends. Why don't you take a trip in our game book? First up, it's our old pal Yarnaby. But he's a little mixed up at the moment. Ooh, he's growing out his hair. Wow, he's really got some strong grip. Looks like it's Orin to the rescue. And a little hypnosis is always helpful. Sprunki friends, assemble! Everyone to your colors. Like I said, it's pasta time. Now everybody, slurp. And now Pinky is free. Wow, she's a deep sleeper. But she'll wake up to present your prize. Looks like Catnap wants to help Bailey with his floaty. Ooh, it's a good thing Bailey's got gills. Unfortunately, it's getting kind of crowded in here. Hey, don't swim until after you've eaten. Well, time to whip out the fishing pole. Good thing Big and Scary likes chewed gum. Okay, everybody, who wants sashimi? Don't forget to slice off those fins. And we should probably take a look inside. Almost done. Just a little deboning. Now we gotta put Bailey back together. Good news! We even saved your duck! It's Doughy. He's looking a little gray. Uh-oh, is he really that transparent? Well, now the game can really begin. I guess this calls for a hands-on touch. We can use the balls to color him in. Push everything so it goes where it belongs. Just try to stay inside the lines. Oh, and don't forget the little hat. Time for fun in the park. Ooh, looks like rain. Wait, it says add water. It's Baba Chops. Well, now let's look behind tree number 2. Handcuffs. Huh, should come in handy with Baba. Next up, fire. Ooh, things are getting hot in here. Whoa, look at that! An electric razor! Okay, we need to find where Baba's hiding. Not there. Let's try over here. Don't think so. Hey, you think he knows Wallace and Gromit? Well, third time's the charm. Told ya! We might have 3 bags full, but you're going to jail. But I guess a birdcage will do too. Lily Microwave tends to get hangry. Careful, there's a fly in your soup. Sans the soup. Either way, Lily's in a burger mood. But first, we gotta do a quick maze. Besides, there might be cheese in here. If not, we might as well collect our Poppy Playtime pals. Well, I guess it's time to let the good times roll. Almost done. Can't forget Dog Day. Well, the farm's all here. And what comes from farms? Food! Soon we'll have everything we need to make a burger. Of course, you gotta stick it together yourself. Here you go, Lily. Say, would you like fries with that? Wait, is she eating it or heating it? Well, either way, we need to plug her in. I told you she just needed something to eat. Simon, watch out! Oh, and not wearing your helmet, too. Maybe we can look inside these rocks. After all, there could be hidden treasures. That bike pump could be handy. But look, slime! You can never go wrong with slime! Especially when it comes with tools inside. Slime sure is the gift that keeps on giving. We'll have your bike fixed up in a jiffy. And just in time, Simon's gotta head home. Here, Pinky, a strawberry donut, your favorite. Oh, I cry too when there's no more donuts. Oh, I see, you're not feeling well, are you? Well, whatever this is, better out than in, I always say. Good to see you're eating your carrots. You don't need this. You're already all heart. And you can always make your own luck. A bug? Well, protein is protein. Ooh, a star. Why don't we mix all these ingredients up? Pinky prefers things shaken, not stirred. Now let's bring everything together. Ooh, it kind of looks like a parfait. But we're gonna heat things up. We earned a break. Let's play with Mr. Fun Computer. Want to have fun? Yeah, I just said that. Ooh, we're playing with Simon and Pianosaurus. Okay, everybody, let's get ready to rumble! You know the rules. Whoever loses their stickers first loses! Things are getting tense. This could be anybody's game. Things aren't looking so good for Pianosaurus. And Simon wins. That means we've won too. What's our prize? Mazes sure are popular here. We're out of ink already? Let's see. Well, it writes on regular paper just fine. In fact, we can use it to draw up a solution. Let's make friends for all our Sprunki maze runners. First, let's follow the red road to Telly. Of course, we gotta draw it out ourselves. Next up, let's help Aqua find her way. And last but not least, it's Oaxis's turn. Red, blue, and green. We've solved the maze. Now for a surprise. It's not Superman ice cream. It's Doughy. But I think he needs help. Now let's open him up and see what's inside. It's our Sprunki friends. You swallowed them whole. Maybe we can put them all back together. Granted, we probably shouldn't have made them into pasta in the first place. Looks like Sky is about to have a baby.
Uh-oh.
Well, the gender's not going to reveal itself. That speeds things up. It's a boy. Aw, he'd probably have your nose, if he had one. Okay, fun's fun. Back to work.
What?
You need to unlock the locks. Don't cry. Maybe your Sprunki friends can help. Orin always gives a bit of himself. Ooh, looks like Orin's got a mini-me. Made of blocks, no less. Why don't you join the collection? Orin's such a sweetie. Literally, he's made of candy. Orange. It's the color and the flavor. And look, it comes with special dipping powder. And that's not all. This should get things bubbling. Ah, nice and fizzy. Bottoms up. That's a weird texture. Wait, it's a keychain. On to our next friend. Binaria needs a makeover. Or does this count as pruning? We cleared the pus. Now for all this stuffing. Wow, there's a toy inside with treats. Still, I'd be careful if I were you. This brings new meaning to fast food. Aw, a butterfly, just like a cocoon. It's fun to catch these guys, but it's more fun to watch them go. What else is in here? It's the next keychain.
Yay!
Who's next? Ouch! Somebody's got teeth. It's like a baby shark. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Well, let's take a look inside and see what makes you tick. Slime? Or is that stuff just mucus? Let's keep digging. Ooh, now this looks promising. Look, twist it up and it changes shape. Now why don't we take it for a spin?
Wow!
Let's see what's next. Ooh, it's a squid. Do you think this was Sharkin's lunch? Either way, that's one stretchy calamari. Blow him up and see just how big he can go. Of course, the bigger they are, the more fun it is to pop. Hey, look, it's another keychain.
Yay!
Our next Sprunki friend could sure use a haircut. On second thought, some extensions wouldn't hurt. Let's see what you've got on your mind. It's funbot. And look, he's very versatile. Always knew he'd be big someday. His place really is among the stars. Ooh, another sweet treat. Kind of an aftertaste. Maybe we should try another flavor. Now that's spicy! This one looks cool, but it tastes ice cold. Okay, that's enough candy. Ooh, 3 dentures. But more importantly, a keychain. Uh-oh, looks like Jevin's stuck in a sticky situation. Let's take a look inside. What big teeth you've got. And they're pretty strong, too.
Ouch!
Of course, it pays to have a stomach.
Ew.
Speaking of which, let's check that out next. Ooh, this is no ordinary pup. He makes dental care a lot more fun. Of course, an electric brush helps too. And I'm looking at a pair of teeth in need of a tune-up. Back and forth, and we're almost done. Look, a keychain. Ooh, and pay at the front desk. Next up, it's Wendy. She could use a trim. Look, mini versions of our Sprunki friends. And they're getting some serious air. Hold on, is that Wendy's brain? I've heard of the mind's eye before, but this is ridiculous. Okay, what else is in here? Ooh, a toy train. It comes complete with its own station. Not to mention the next keychain.
Yes!
Hey, Pinky, do you smell something off? Ew, let's clean this off before it gets infected. At least, let's clear off all these roaches. These things will outlive us all.
Wow!
Hey, she's got a lollipop toy in here.
What?
That's still not all. There's even more candy inside. She's sugar, spice, and everything nice. I wonder what else she's got in store for us. Wait a sec, her stuffing. It's cotton candy! And look, the next keychain's inside. Ooh, it's the last one we need, too.
Yay!
So, what's in the box anyway? It's a baby! Speaking of which, can we have ours back? All that's left to do is a quick switch.
Yes!